Here's another 5-minute update. We got the intake manifold on. We got a lot of the wiring finished up. Injectors, fuel rail installed. Turbo installed. The bumper exit has been fabricated. We actually got it started up, and come to find out our radiator was leaking. That's the Mishimoto for you. I'll go into that here in a minute. But yeah, the intercooler, the lower pipe, the return, the wastegate exit, and the bumper exit. It's all in here. This is going to get a wrap on it. We can move this a little bit. Yeah, here it is so far. Here's the Leakymoto, new in box from the factory. Came with some dented fins and some damage to the fins. Well, the fins, but the runners, I guess. This one right here was actually punctured and was leaking when we went to fill it. So I put that in there for now, but I'll be contacting them and doing an RMA and going through all that. That's why I always keep my boxes. Always keep this stuff when you order a Mishimoto radiator. This is a 1G radiator going in a 2G, but there's no filler neck on it. The filler neck's on the thermostat housing. On an Evo, the filler neck is on the radiator. And I've seen 4 Mishimoto radiators in a row on an Evo leak. And this one came damaged. So, it wasn't around the filler neck, but still fucking leaks. Excuse my language. So yeah, you fill it here. I got one of these. We're there filling it up with coolant. Then coolant starts dripping. How it goes, I guess. But this is where we are at. We just need that radiator. Fresh set of plugs are waiting for us. Should be ready to start tuning this thing here soon. That's all for tonight.